Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook wood ear mushrooms. First, you will need to rehydrate your dried wood ear mushrooms. Place them in a bowl and cover them with warm water. Let them soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. You will notice they expand quite a bit, becoming 3 to 4 times their original size. Once soft, drain the water and give them a good rinse. After rehydration, it is time for preparation. Carefully inspect each mushroom and trim off any tough, woody bits at the base. These parts can be a bit chewy and are best removed. Then, rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water to wash away any lingering dirt or debris. Finally, slice them into your preferred shapes, like thin strips or smaller, bite-sized pieces, ready for cooking. Wood ear mushrooms are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They are a fantastic addition to stir-fries, providing a delightful, slightly crunchy texture. You can also blanch them for 2 to 3 minutes and toss them into fresh salads. For a heartier meal, incorporate them into your favorite soups or stews. A simple sauté with garlic and a splash of soy sauce also brings out their best. These mushrooms possess a mild, earthy flavor, making them excellent at absorbing the tastes of other ingredients. Their most distinctive feature is their unique, slightly crunchy and chewy texture. To truly make them shine, pair them with bold flavors such as fresh ginger, aromatic garlic, or a hint of chili. Remember to cook them briefly to preserve that wonderful crisp texture and prevent them from becoming too soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.